Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. And I'm so excited to share something truly special with you. Right now, I'm preparing a brand new interview series where I will be sitting down with incredible women in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and even 70s. Despite their different ages and backgrounds, they all share one thing in common. They look 10 years younger than their actual age. And what makes you wonder, how do they do it? What are their secrets to staying vibrant, radiant, and full of life? If you've ever been curious about the art of aging gracefully, about how to feel younger, not just look younger, then this series is for you. In 40 Plus, they look 10 years younger. Each episode featured with inspiring guests who will open up about their lifestyle, mindset, and the choices that help her stay balanced, healthy, and confident. Together, we will explore real stories of how those women care for their bodies, nurture their minds, and embrace every stage of life with grace and joy. Maybe their stories will resonate with your own journey. Maybe you will find the missing piece you've been searching for. Or maybe you will discover a whole new way of looking at life that reminds you it's never too late to glow from within. Here we are not just listeners, we are learners, sharers, and seekers of wisdom. If you are also one of those ageless women and you'd love to share your own story, I'd be honored to hear from you. Because listening is more than just a gesture, it's a way of life. It's an act of humility, a bridge that connects hearts, and a path that enriches our souls. Before we wrap up, I just want to say this. Every woman's age tells a unique story. Time shouldn't never be seen as something we lose, but as something that refines us. True youth isn't about your skin. It lives in your eyes, your smile, and your spirit. I really hope this series will bring you inspiration and strength and reminds all of us to redefine what beauty after 40 truly means. To live with confidence, grace, and radiant energy. If you enjoy those conversations, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this with your friends who shine from the inside out. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee, and this is 40 Plus. They look 10 years younger. I will see you in our interview.